Gary from Driven Import Auto Care, and today we're going to do an unboxing of this rear control arm kit we just got sent from Chip and Jason Waters. I guess they sent it to us to help us out with the race car. And anyway, I was just going to open it up and let you guys check it out. Dustin's going to help me here.
Watch that buddy over there.
As we go through it, I figured it'd be exciting since online all the kid videos of them opening toys. We'd open up some man toys. Alright.
Factory hardware.
What do we got there?
Got a nice big sticker.
Big sticker.
Big
Alright,
sticker.
there they are.
There we go.
Look at that control arm.
Nice one. There's something
Sweet.
else we need to pull out of here too.
It's all powder coated and welded up really nice. You can tell it's really nice quality stuff for sure.
Looks like we also have a set of Willwood brake calipers.
Wow. Check that out.
Check that out.
Alright, now we got the other side. The other control arm. Oh, wow, it even comes with new wheel hubs. Nice. With exciter rings for the ABS. That's pretty sweet. Then I need to change out those studs. There you go. Got this spherical mount of some sort. Sweet. That's not even spherical. I don't know what that is. Pillow ball.
Nice.
Goes in the end of the control arm. And I think that's what also makes it adjustable, so you can move the rear wheels back further. And overall, this kit reduces, I think, the weight by about 50 pounds compared to the factory control arm setup. So here's the brake rotors, super lightweight, crazy looking.
Oh,
Pretty cool. Yeah, and some nice new Speed Factory branded brake lines, braided brake lines. So overall, pretty nice kit. It's super high quality stuff for sure. So thanks Jason and Chip for sure. That's Jason Waters Tuning for sending this over to us. And they have a lot of the stuff in stock and ready to send to you. Or you can actually, I think, pick a lot of it up at their place. So pretty cool overall. But anyway, I guess that's it.
Be sure to contact the professionals at Driven Import Auto Care today to schedule your next maintenance service.